Hello! Dahil hindi kami makakuha ng taxi in front of the door, the gate, bumalik kami ni Miss Celine dito sa coffee shop. There. Kasi medyo mahangin na, saka sa mata yung hangin. So bumalik kami dito sa coffee shop. There. Natapos namin yung blueberry cake. And then, itry ko ito kung masarap. Kasi mamayang gabi, we going to the Peak Home to eat there. Ganda, dumaming tao. Tea time. Nag-snack sila. There, si Celine having a coffee. Dahil may coffee ako dyan na baon, nag-order ako ng lemon water juice. Yung tapang-tapang niya, yung juice.